What's going on, guys? It's Astrosfade, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your rubric for your essay. This goes for like any formal writing. So I just blurred out some of my personal information. So first of all, this is the default Google Docs. It's Arial 11-point font. And if you click into format here, it's at 1.15 spacing. So if you want to fix this all, and this is all pushed to the side. So if you want to fix this all, you're going to want to hold down Control and Shift on your keyboard. And with your other hand, you're going to want to hold down the right arrow key. So this is what should happen. If you want this process to go faster, you can hold down, you can keep clicking in between like the right arrow key and the down arrow key. So like you click the right arrow key, then the down arrow key, then the right arrow key, then the down arrow key, and do that until your entire essay is highlighted. So that once you do that, you're going to want to make the font size 12. So it should look like this. Alright, wait. You're going to want to make your font size 12. And you're going to want to make the font from Arial to Times New Roman. Once you've done that, you probably want to center this to the middle. So you're going to want to highlight these two. And you're going to want to highlight these two and click this. And then click center align or hit Control Shift E. And it'll align it to this. It'll line it up to the center. And then it's still not and there's still a problem with this. The paragraph spacing looks a little bit bunched together. So to fix this, you're going to want to go highlight it everything, click into format, click line and paragraph spacing, and then click double. So this is what your essay should look like. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.